friends, welcome back to another video of Cinta's Medical World. This is me Cinta Sijo studying in University of Perpetual Health System Delta, Philippines. Have you ever thought how our body functions get coordinated or which parts of the body is involved in coordinating the functions of the body? That's what we are going to discuss today, and it's about the nervous system. The nervous system consists of two unique parts, and that is central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system consists of the nerves. Now we can see in detail about the parts of the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system, also the fundamental unit of the nervous system, that is the neuron. The human brain is the central organ of human nervous system. It is closely packed and it is contained within the cranial cavity. An average adult human brain weighs around 1300 to 1400 grams, while a baby's brain weighs 350 to 400 grams. The brain contains many folds and grooves that give added surface area needed for storing body's important information. The human brain is made of soft tissue which includes grey and white matter. The grey matter of the brain is made of cells called neurons, and the white matter is made of glial cells. The human brain has three major sections which includes forebrain, midbrain and the hindbrain. The forebrain contains cerebrum, thalamus, hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. The hindbrain contains cerebellum, also known as the little brain, pons and medulla. The pons and medulla along with the midbrain is known as brainstem. Now we are moving to the second part of the central nervous system, that is the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a bundle of nerve tissue which is responsible for carrying signals from brain to the body and from body to the brain. The length of spinal cord varies from person to person, and it ranges from 43 to 45 centimeters, and they are half an inch thick. The spinal cord is contained within a vertebral cavity of the vertebral column. So we have seen that the brain is the command center for the body, while spinal cord is the pathway for message sent by the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. Now we are moving to the second exclusive part of the nervous system, that is the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is the portion of nervous system outside the brain and spinal cord. It contains nerves and ganglia outside the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system is divided into somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system controls the voluntary actions, for example, walking. The autonomic nervous system controls vital functions like heartbeat, breathing, etc. The main function of peripheral nervous system, or PNS, is to connect the brain and the spinal cord to the rest of the body and to the extremities. So we have seen two unique parts of the nervous system, that is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Now we are going to see the basic unit of nervous system. The basic or the fundamental unit of nervous system is the nerve cell or the neuron. A human brain contains about 100 billion neurons. The neurons communicate with other cells through specialized connections using electrical impulses and chemical signs. The neuron is a microscopic structure composed of three major parts called as cell body, dendrites, and the axon. Like the other cells of the body, the neurons also do have a cell body, and it is also known as soma. The cell body or soma contains nucleus and cytoplasm that receives the information. The dendrites are thin filaments which carry information from the neurons to the soma or the cell body. It is the input part of the cell. Axon is the output part of the cell which carries information from the soma or the cell body and sends to the other cells. The bottom end of the axon is branched and each branch terminates as a bulb-like structure called synaptic knob, which contains chemicals called neurotransmitters. These chemicals are involved in the transmission of impulses at the synapses. So we have found that nervous system coordinates the entire body functions, and that marks for the end of today's video. I hope you guys understood this concept. Subscribe the channel for more videos, like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, it's a bye from Cinta's Medical World.